In today's rapidly changing world, technology is advancing at an unprecedented rate. And with these advancements come changes to the way we work and the jobs that are available to us. Traditionally, jobs like this one have been crucial to our economy. But as automation becomes more prevalent, we may see fewer and fewer of these types of jobs in the future. Delivery drivers, for example, may be replaced by drones and self-driving cars, making the need for human drivers obsolete. Even jobs in the tech industry are not immune to change. With the development of artificial intelligence, certain tasks that were once done by humans, such as data entry and analysis, may be taken over by machines. But it's not all bad news. As some jobs become obsolete, new opportunities will arise. Jobs that involve creativity, critical thinking, and human interaction will likely become more important. The future of work may look different than it does today, but with the right mindset and skills, we can adapt and thrive in this ever-changing world.